Thanks to Shortform for sponsoring this video. Hi, it's Simon, and I've tried a lot of AI tools as a creator. These are the best ones. It feels like AI will soon become a standard requirement in our workflow for many creative fields, particularly online creators like me. Not using some AI assistants could leave you behind the curve. But better than that, far from destroying your creative voice, using AI can also remove legwork and give you more space for you to develop your ideas and the quality of your work. So beyond that ChatGPT, these are the best AI tools for creators out there in 3 categories: graphic design and photography, video and editing, and sound and audio. I've also made a companion piece to this on productive AI tools if you want to check it out via the link below the like button. But first, since AI development and new tech development seems to be moving increasingly fast these days, my first recommendation would be to check out Tools.io. It's a great platform that just gathers all the latest AI apps and tech, often before they're released, so you get a heads up and can find the latest and greatest. That's not sponsored, by the way, I just think it's good. Time to supercharge your workflow. Okay, image and design. When it comes to editing and creating imagery with AI assistants, think beyond Midjourney. There are a few amazing apps for designing, notably for graphic design, images, and even interior design. So Adobe Firefly. This is a super exciting option and will turn drawings into photorealistic images and also generate product photography in different scenarios, along with amazing other functions. Genuinely, if you were gonna pay for an app, subscribing to this one could be a game changer if you're a creator. I think it will kind of do many things that will help you out along the way. There are some other options that are a little more accessible. ClipDrop is an iOS app that will do a few things. You can remove backgrounds and clean up images, all that stuff. But best of all, you can take a photo of an object or a person, immediately cut it out, and send it to your computer to use in a design. Amazing. Scribble Diffusion is a free drawing image AI tool, which essentially will allow you to draw something, describe what you want generated, really simply, and you'll get something. This is a pretty fun one and could really have some useful applications though for creators above and beyond drawing a cat. Now, Canva. A few of you may, like me, still use this for quick, easy graphic design options, and a lot of people swear by it, but they've actually got some really cool tools powered by AI, such as object replace and image cleanups, that kind of stuff. So if you use Canva, check out what is there that you may not have noticed. I love the next one, and this one is Interior AI. So this will let you upload a photo of your room in your home, and by describing the look and feel you are going for, the AI will generate an idea. So if you're redesigning a room, definitely check it out. I'm actually using it to redesign my YouTube recording studio at the moment. I've moved down the road, got out of this room. So if you want to see more on that design process and probably using the app, make sure you subscribe and come back and check out the build series. And speaking of video, video.ai is a great thing to check out. Let's move on to it. And also in that category is something called getmunch.io. Now these will both create short videos from longer form video content using AI. What's really cool is that they will create captioning as well. And video will give you different templates and is actually super customizable, and it will find you the best clips in the video based on SEO that you can build around keywords. It will also give you around about an hour of free footage, I believe, but check that out. You can export at 720p for free, 1080p is paid, but it will find stuff worth posting on social media, and I really think it's worth checking out. Now the next AI tool is more a brand actually, NVIDIA. They do a ton of stuff, but NVIDIA Broadcast is one to really look out for as a creator. It's a great tool that will do a range of things, from cleaning up audio, removing background noise and echoes, replacing backgrounds, auto framing, that kind of stuff. But it also does something that many others don't do, which is make you look like you're looking at the camera when you're not. Freaky. I'm actually looking at you, seriously. Okay, sorry. Right, next, when it comes to creating content for this channel, much of my time involves researching the subject matter, and Shortform has been my go-to non-fiction book summary tool to do this. Well, recently they added an exciting AI feature, an AI summary tool that has really charged it up further. Now, if you don't know Shortform by now, it's my favorite solution for recapping or discovering the key ideas in non-fiction books in advance of reading them, and it covers a wide range of subjects like productivity, creativity, and entrepreneurship. I'm currently reading The Procrastination Cure by Damien Zaharides. It's a super useful book on understanding why you procrastinate and how to break that habit. Add that to these AI tools and my other procrastination videos, and less is definitely more. Now, the new AI Chrome browser extension in Shortform is the newest addition to its service. It's particularly accurate, I found, compared to other solutions like Cider, Monica, and all these other apps. And you can see my AI productivity video after this for more on that. And I'm finding this genuinely useful as a research tool for improving the quality of my content. It has the fundamental features many AI extensions like this should have, right? Generating high quality summaries for anything on the internet, from your emails to videos, and listing the key ideas, simplifying long and complicated topics, all of that. But what I really like about Shortform's AI is the fact that it also offers additional sources that are linked to the summary to give an opportunity for further reading and gaining a wider understanding of a subject. Access to the Shortform AI extension is free, but with limited access, and full capabilities are available with their premium subscription. New and existing paid premium users on Shortform get access to it along with those high quality book summaries. Go try it for free, plus get 20% off as a discount to a premium subscription to Shortform, which includes unlimited access to that AI function via my link, shortform.com/bettercreating. So thank you, Shortform, for sponsoring this part of the video. RunwayML.com probably has one of the largest suites of tools available out there, and it includes things like text to color grade, turning any video into smooth slow motion, whatever the frame rate, and it will even erase objects from a video, not just a photo, a video. That's pretty cool. Now, in the free mode, you'll only be able to do 3 projects live at one time, but I think you can delete them, and you can actually use all of these tools to test them for free and then export at 720p. But at $12 a month, that's a pretty amazing value for serious creators who want this functionality. Now, CapCut will do auto captioning and highlight words as they're spoken. Probably seen this stuff on TikTok, Reels, all of that. If you want to be able to do it, this does it, and it does a lot for free. And well, we should probably say this. If you're a Premiere Pro editor, the new Adobe AI video editing plugin needs your attention. And to be fair, it could write off a few of the above direct in the editing software, from auto reframing to matching colors, and even using a text transcript generated of the video to cut the video by cutting text in the text editor. That is serious stuff, and presumably it also does your captioning for you. So let's talk about sound and audio. There are a lot of cool AI apps for sound and audio, from text and voice tools to full podcast managers. Here are the 5 that most impressed me recently. 11 Labs is a super powerful and, let's be honest, super scary voice cloner.
Climate crisis.
As an actor, I pretend for a living.
You might have seen some of the recent footage of Leonardo DiCaprio mimicking other people using it. You can send a sample of your voice to the system, and then you can type whatever you want and it will speak it as you. So this could be great to create a quick fix in a video, a voiceover, or anything else. It's probably the best I've heard if you record a lot of audio. Number 2 and number 3 are similar. BeatOven.ai and SoundDraw. They allow you to create royalty-free music based on exactly the feel, style, tempo, vibe you're looking for through prompts. Great for those creating content and wanting the soundtrack that will complement it perfectly. You can do lengths of tracks, all that kind of stuff, and really useful if you regularly create content and need that as a backdrop. Megaphone.spotify.com is a great AI tool for podcasters. It essentially is a full podcast content manager that will allow you to publish your podcast across different platforms. Integrated ad placements will happen via their network if you want to do it, and it makes global updates across everything, so Apple Podcasts, Spotify, and all the rest, really easy. So check that one out. I'm looking at doing some interviews in a podcast format soon, so I will be. Moises is a cool kind of iPhone app that will essentially deconstruct any music track into its stems. So separate lyrics, beats, instruments, and so on. Pretty cool if you want to adapt a track to your needs, if you're allowed. Keep it royalty free, my friends. Make sure that you check out the AI productivity tools and apps that go with these creative ones in my sister video that's up here. Or try this one next for the tech and ideas that can truly help you do more with less. Or should I say, do less, but better. Yeah, click, you'll see what I mean. It would be awesome if you left a comment here before you do, and definitely get subscribed if you haven't. Such a small percentage of you that watch are subscribed, and I'd love to have you in the community. And I'd better get back to creating. Bye.